Shalom, beautiful Devis, beautiful women. My name is Katha and I'm from Sweden. To be a part of the Be Woman organization and to join the Durga Kali teacher training is one of the most important things I've done in my life. It really changed the view of myself as a woman, and eventually it's opened the door to my whole being. Before I decided to sign up for the course, I was worried and I was afraid that I should be too old for this, that I should be the only one past 50, that I should be the only one in menopause, the only one being a grandmother. But from the first moment, all the worries, they just disappeared. We were, I think, 19 women from all over the world, in age from 24 to 72, and they all really became my friends, my sisters, my daughters, my mothers, and wow, I can't really describe in words what it means to be me, to be a part of Be Woman, and to be able to spread the word. It's so important. So yeah, I am so grateful. It's so much love, and I really want to say to all of you out there, go and be a part of this. I'm so grateful. Om.
No woman, be woman, all women, nature nurture me. No woman, be woman, all women, nature nurture me.